months ago. I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, just storming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Some old gray-bearded man sitting on the bench outside the general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. And finally got a ride with the preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, long afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and over here's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Searching for